G'day, my name is Chris and I'm a home dad with a few bigger projects on the go. In 2019 we purchased from UHI their smallest excavator, the UME10. Now I should say right from the beginning we put this clip together off their own back, primarily because there's not a great deal of information out there as to how to service and maintain these diggers. And secondly, UHI have been pretty good to us, so as a disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic. This clip is simply for the purpose of following through how we do our servicing. It may not even represent what UHI themselves recommend. Also too, when we first purchased the digger, we had a bit of difficulty determining what fluids and what not to use. So throughout this clip, we will also be showing the specific products we're using. We do so not for the purpose of promoting those products, but simply to give you a good datum as to what to look for yourselves. There are 15 grease points on the main body of the machine. Points 14 and 15 appear to be plumbed away to the slew gear, one directly to the drive, the other 180 degrees opposite. So by greasing both points in one location and then rotating the cab through 90 degrees and greasing both points in the second location, we pick up 4 cardinal points. Underneath the machine there are 4 additional grease points.